Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can fix the application encountered on an unrecoverable error in your Roblox on your Windows. So first, make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first step or the first fix that you can do is to apply some basic fixes. So begin troubleshooting the issue by applying these basic fixes, which may stop Roblox from crashing right away. So first, what you can do is just to whitelist Roblox in Windows Defender. So see how to allow apps through Windows Defender. Also temporarily turn off third-party antivirus software if you are using antivirus software on your computer. And then next, what you can do is to turn off any anti-cheat software you use. So even those that aren't directly related to Roblox. And then next, what you can do is to disable other programs running in parallel with Roblox to ensure the system don't crash due to a lack of resources. And then lastly, what you can do for basic fixes is to run Roblox as administrator to give Roblox a higher priority, which can prevent the game from crashing. But if none of the above checks to resolve the error, you can apply the remaining fixes. So just continue watching this video. And the next, what you can do is to use the Microsoft Store app until issue is resolved. So Roblox users have reported that the error under discussion only affects those who attempt to join Roblox experiences from the web. So not Roblox Microsoft Store app. So because of this, if you have encountered a crash when joining an experience through the Roblox website, just download a Roblox app from the Microsoft Store and then join the experience through it. Until the issue isn't fixed, continue using Microsoft Store app to play Roblox experiences. And then next, what you can do is don't run Roblox on a virtual machine. So Roblox doesn't permit playing Roblox experiences on a virtual machine, as a Roblox staff member reported on a Roblox developers forum. So when someone attempts to access Roblox experiences this way, Hyperion abruptly crashes the process. So do you also want to run Roblox player on a virtual machine but the client crashes? So that could be the case of the error. So close the virtual machine and just run Roblox by installing the client on your OS. So hopefully nothing will go wrong this way. And if you don't use a virtual machine and still get the error, so virtualization could be enabled in the BIOS settings or BIOS settings. And then next, what you can do is to disable the virtualization from the BIOS or the BIOS. So virtualization allows Windows users to emulate another operating system such as Linux. So having this feature enabled on Windows can cause the Roblox client to crash, and Roblox staff members recommend turning it off through the BIOS or BIOS. So therefore, you should ensure it is disabled and disable it if necessary. So turn off or turning off virtualization and accessing the BIOS varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. So here's how you can turn off virtualization on a Dell device. So if you're using a Dell device, you can go ahead and follow these steps right here. So first, turn off your Windows PC and then just turn it back on. Then after that, press the F2 key on your keyboard, and when the Dell logo appears on your screen rather, this will boot your device into the BIOS or into BIOS. So after that, just go to the advanced and then virtualization or virtualization support, whatever you can see, and then go to the virtualization again. And then after that, click onto the Intel Virtualization Technology or the VT and uncheck the box beside the Enable Intel Virtualization Technology. Then lastly, you can click onto the Intel VT for direction or for direct, and then the just uncheck the box beside this enable Intel VT for direction IO. So if you're using a device from another manufacturer, just visit its official website for steps on disabling virtualization. So next, what you can do is to delete the temporary Roblox files. So the corruption of cache files can also cause the error under the discussion. So to make sure the outdated temporary files do not cause the problem, you can follow the steps to delete them. So first, just press the Window plus R key simultaneously on your keyboard and then just type the percent local update percent and then press enter. And then you can navigate to the temp folder. And then after that, right click onto the Roblox folder and simply click the delete button. So that's it for this video. Those are some fixes to possibly fix the error that you are having. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.